Okay, let's just unbox this PSU. So it's the new MSI 850 watt. Well, it's not very new. I mean, it came out like half a year ago, but it still isn't old by any means. And it's their best power supply at the moment, the best one for MSI, at least in terms of the wattage. They got a 650, 750, and 850 watt power supply. This is their best currently, although I'm sure they're gonna come out with other power supplies. Doing this with one hand isn't the easiest thing. The box is really nice though. It's a fairly large box. It does weigh a lot, I'd say. Yeah, that's at least 3.5 kilograms. I just need to open this puppy up. So this is the cables it has. Plenty of cables, the way it looks. Let's open it up. Okay, the little manual. Yeah, there they are. 650, 750, 850. Manual. Power supply unit. In all sorts of languages. Very nicely packaged though. The power supply looks quite nice. I'd say it weighs 1.5 kilograms. Feels fairly sturdy, good quality. Packaged very nicely, surprisingly nice actually. That's what it looks like. On and off switch. The top fan. It's 140 millimeter. As far as I know, it's gold rated. 850. Yep, that's all. And there it goes. Not bad, honestly. Not bad at all. Based on what I can see. It does feel like a very good power supply. These are the cables. Cables are also wrapped in this nice MSI box, which is always good to see, in all honesty. Let's see what the cables are about. Okay. Let's see a power cable, which actually looks quite nice. It's a good power cable. The European one, obviously. Depending on where you buy it. Very nice pouch though. Really nice pouch. Plenty of cables. There's literally a massive chunk of them. So many cables. Molex. CPU. Plenty of SATAs. 1, 2. I think there's a couple SATAs. Yeah, that's it. PCIe. CPU, the motherboard one. They do feel like good quality cables. You know, those are Those are good quality cables. They're fairly thick, heavy. Honestly, this is a good power supply. Definitely feels like it. Gold rated. The wording, 850 watt. Yep. Very nice indeed.